Here's how to create a video collage. Go to InShot and import a blank clip. Tap PIP and import your video as a layer. Press autofill to fit to screen, drag it to the top and add the other videos. Now tap Animation and choose from a variety of animations for a sleek transition. Do the same for the other clips. And stagger your videos so they appear one after another. Now scrub to the part where your first video appears and tap Text. Add your text and do the same for the other videos. Once that's done, you'll have a fun video collage that speaks 1,000 words. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.